me.
You giving it up now?
Yeah.
You're quite the gymnast. That's bound to make his legs stronger, huh?
I would think so.
Wow, look at that spin. Wow.
He's 7.
Today that